Hello, hello! Here we are once again from the city of Kotor, the old famous UNESCO World Heritage or recognized heritage city of Kotor. Now the plan is to go and view a majestic cruise ship waiting for us just over there, leaving some smoke in the skies, in the air of Kotor. You can probably see the smoke coming up into the sky from the cruise ship. It is believed from the Virgin, and we're gonna see with our eyes very soon. Stay tuned and enjoy. Here is a upset girl, looks like, with her parents, but
She did look very upset.
yeah, but never mind, things will be all right for everyone. Because if I rent a yacht, I just want to rent it myself
Yeah.
and take it somewhere, take it to India.
Yeah.
And they're gonna be costly ones.
Yeah.
I would like something like this, small, little, like this one. This one is for rent.
You want to take that one all the way to India?
No, this one I will enjoy here. To India, I will take this.
Like, there's a lot of sea to cross in that little boat.
No, to India, I will take this one.
Yeah.
If I can drive it really. Look at, they are so heavy, they don't even move, you see? With the water waves. Water waves don't even affect them at all. Wow. Just trying to sneak in from the little windows. What's inside? Wow, here we are coming across the first gigantic cruise ship, but we believe the other one we are actually going to see is even bigger than this one, guys. So let's go. How are you finding it so far, Brittney? Are you liking Kotor?
I am. I feel like there's a lot more to see here
Yeah.
than Bupa. You know, thing.
It is raining, yeah. It has just started a little bit to rain, but we are carrying our waterproofs, so we are not worried at all by these little things like rain
It's just water.
that can just come up on our way. I think this cruise ship is from Denmark by the flag on it, if I am not wrong. Is it a Denmark flag or the Switzerland flag?
I'm not. I can't tell you what those ones look like in my head.
You can't tell?
I could do a Google.
That I can do as well, thanks for that.
You should have been like, you're so kind, but no. Oh yeah, is the Swiss one just red and white with a cross? Like
Both are red and white, but the Swiss flag is just a little plus sign in the center, but this one has got all the cross, so
in the blue and the black. Oh, I don't
wow.
know. We have to have a ticket. I wonder if we walk that way.
Yeah. So this is the gate to the Port of Kotor, if you are entitled for the cruise ship, because this is the entry of the cruise ship. So we're gonna go out. We can go this way. No, we go out. Now this is closed. Hmm?
I said who was right?
I was right. You're gonna walk me on the road.
No? Who said it? Have more faith in me. I get us where we need to go.
Alright people, with the expectations are high as we have walked into this little park that we can actually see the... My goodness, I'm not sure if it is in the camera so far, but my eyes can already see it, feel it from the distance. It's very, very big. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Have you ever seen such a big cruise ship?
Yes.
You might have. In Seattle, right?
Yeah, a lot of cruise ships come through there.
Yeah.
And I went on one in freshman year of high school.
Oh, did you?
It was
Wow, wow, wow.
Caribbean, but it was cold. So it wasn't the same.
I think it is moving or not. Is it moving or not? It's just the
No, I think
confusion of my eyes that it feels like it's moving.
Should we sit for a minute?
There is a bench for you I have got.
That you got?
Yeah.
They just for me.
Yeah.
Cat.
See, I'm bringing a cat for you as well. Cat! Here you go.
Stop.
It's the cat for you. There you go. Here we are, people. It's in the middle, if you can see. Sit, sit, sit. Have a seat. Take your time.
Sit.
Wow, 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 guys. Look at that monster. My goodness. Never seen such a cruise ship before of this scale. And it's really, really nice. So that was it, I guess, about this vlog. You got to see the nice mountains, you got to see a relatively smaller cruise, you have seen the bigger cruise ship. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.